Okay, you guys, so I'm actually using this hair that was sent to me from this Amazon hair company called DUS hair. They sent me six packs of spring twist hair in the color 1B. They also sent in a couple of little cute knickknacks with it, like these beads, hair clips, and a crochet hook. So to get the little design that's on the side of my head, I part off a little section on the side of my head. And after I part off that section, I part it into 4 little sections using Gorilla Snot glue and Shine and Jam. I didn't picture the Gorilla Snot glue because I realized the Shine and Jam was not holding the way I needed it to. So yeah, I added the Gorilla Snot glue later. But anyway, after I slicked the sections, I put them into little ponytails, and then I braid the sections up. I don't braid all the way because we are going to pull this hair back into the crochet section. So yeah, to do the crisscross, I just, as you see, I took the braid, crisscrossed it over. I cannot talk. And then I rubber band the sections together. And then I actually used the little hair beads that they sent. I put them on top of the rubber bands just to add a little bit more pizzazz to the hairstyle. Mind you, you do not have to do this. Like, this is definitely something that I just, felt inclined to do. And then I actually took some of the Shiny Jam and added it to the sides of the design just so that, my hair wouldn't get caught up in it. And I was going to pull my hair back into a ponytail, but my hair was too thick for that. So I poorly flat twisted my hair back, and then I put my hair into this little mini bun. So yes, not the best, but it gets the job done. This is what the hair looks like right out of the pack. Very bouncy, very fun, shiny, all the good stuff. So to do this hairstyle, I take one strand of the spring twist hair and I fluff it out with my thumb. And then I feel like y'all have seen me do crochet a gazillion of times on this channel because this is definitely a specialty of mine. But anywho, I attach the spring twist hair to the hook, pull it through, and then I knot the hair, I would say, like 3 times. And I'm knotting it more than usual because this hair is of a looser texture, so it will slip more. So that's why I'm knotting it more than I would with, other kind of crochet hair. So I will say, do not be afraid to space this hair out, because crochet hair, especially curly crochet hair, can get big real fast. Real fast. And usually you would space it out in the back and then get closer when you get more towards the top of your head. But no, with this hair, definitely just keep spacing it out all throughout, because if you don't want to not space it out and it's too full and now you have a problem. You would rather space it out and then fill it in if need be later. So that's my word of advice. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to shut up now and y'all can just watch me do my thing. And then after I crochet the hair, I do trim it with some shears to shape my face, to give myself a little bit of a bang action, and to just to give the hairstyle some more shape than it did. And honestly, I'm very pleased with how this hairstyle came out. I was a little nervous at first, but I think it came out good. It only took an hour to do, so it's definitely an easy hairstyle that you can chuck out real fast if need be. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will link it all down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.